Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh, I'm pumped. I'm losing my mind. It's crazy. It's crazy. Welcome, all of you. I'm Adam, and this is Paper Beats Rock, and I'm ecstatic that you're here. I am overjoyed. I can't believe the outreach and support that has came downrange so far for the Bronco. You guys, you're amazing, okay? And I want to do the very best that I can for you guys in doing the content and rebuilding this, all right? So today, I am showing you around the new home for Paper Beats Rock and where we're gonna be filming a majority of our stuff here coming up. I've teamed up with Rogue Diesel and they're giving us a spot in the shop. But this is it. These grounds are awesome. The shop is huge, monster shop. So our spot in the garage, they've got a section already planned out for us that we will have to go in. We've got to clear out the flooring there, and going to do that in the next couple days, get that all cleared out. Come in with some LED lights, put in some new lighting there so we can light up the area for where we're going to be working and getting onto this. 16 years that it hasn't been running. Yeah, just amazing. When I was younger, I wheeled the hell out of the Bronco. When I was younger, I bought it in pristine condition. It had been in a small fender bender accident once before, and it actually just came out of the paint shop. Was looking all stock, like it wasn't lifted, nothing like that. Was looking really good. The paint was perfect. Clear coat was all in place, nothing was flaking or anything like that. And yeah, a young teenager, stupid boy bought it for $3,500. Already had a 460 installed in it. And it wasn't long after that. It was originally came with 31-inch, like some type of mud terrain tire on it, wheeled it around a good bit, and then I got some 33s shortly after, some used 33s I threw on it, wheeled it around some more, and then I threw a body lift on it, and I bought some 35-inch Super Swampers, some TSLs that were 15 inches wide, and I bought 12-inch wide white wheels, just regular white wheels. So it just ballooned them out even more, make them look like they're just popping. And it looked cool. It looked cool as hell. I wheeled the heck out of that thing. Never popped a bead. I lowered the pressures down pretty low too. I ran around 12 pounds of pressure a lot of times when I was out wheeling. But anyways, thanks to you all. My timeline on what I was going to do with the Bronco has been vastly increased. Like, I was going to just slow play this. I had no intent of it getting out this big. You guys, look at you. I mean, I am so happy. But you've watched that one little clip, that video, almost 300,000 times right now from when I made this. Like, I think 270,000 times. You've watched that little video, and everyone's just nonstop liking it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna get it up and running, okay? We get the motor up and running, see what we gotta do there to get that, transmission. I know that it leaked tranny fluid before really bad. We'll find out what the scoop is. It may just be a belly pan, and we need to replace a gasket on that or something like that. We'll have to look through the brakes, address those and everything like that, get the inside of it cleaned out. And our goal right now is get it all up and running and good, do a couple test drives with it, make it all good to go. And then we want to be able to go up to the Gambler 500 here in Oregon. I think that's going to be a great, initial break-in type of run for it and everything like that. We get out, meet a bunch of people, have a great time, you know, wheel around doing that and everything like that. And that's supposed to be at the end of June. Bring it back home and then do the full breakdown after that. You know, because I'm jonesing. I want to get on the road. I want to have some fun. I wanted to get into it. I want to have some fun. You know, really like get out there. I want to feel it again, you know. So you're awesome. You are so amazing. I love you. And we're going to make that awesome because I love it. All right. So if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button right down there. Just dab it. And if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe because we're in for one hell of a ride. It's gonna be woo! I tell you what. And if you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell because I'm gonna be putting up a ton of videos and you're gonna wanna know about it because, yeah, wow. As always, guys, I appreciate you to the fullest. You have a good one.